Welcome, Patriots. It is a great day to be an American. We are here at the range 702, and we are going to be shooting the Glock 17 today. Pretty much the granddaddy of all 9mm polymer frame striker-fired pistols. So there's a reason for that. It came out a long time ago, decades ago, and almost every answer that has come out of different brands has just been people trying to compete with this one. So does that mean it's the most reliable? Does it mean that it's the best one out there? We'll find out for you right here on the Freedom Hub. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. As you can see, it is not the prettiest thing out there by any means, but it does its job. It is trusted by military and police all around the globe, and that's for a reason. I mean, if you're not first, you're last. It's pretty much how it goes as far as the firearms. So let's go ahead, give it a shoot, see what we can do here. I'm going to aim for center mass. If I don't say so myself. So what you're seeing there on the left were my warm-up shots before I started shooting. And then right here, that right there is going to be what I just did. So not so bad at all. As for the sights on the Glock, I have to say it's a lot easier to get your sight picture with them. Let's go ahead and take a look at that real quick. So, there we go. Not so bad. Take a look at this right here. See how she did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, wow. Yeah. Women are typically better at shooting than men. Nicely done. So So what did you think about the Glock 17? How did it feel in your hands?
I thought it was relatively comfortable after just firing a few rounds because I've never fired a Glock before. So yeah, I mean, it did jump a little bit, but not too much. I maintained control.
Sure.
Then also, one thing that surprised the hell out of me was that it was much louder than the M&P that I'm used to shooting.
Excellent. So how does it look in your hands? So I just kind of want to see like how your grip is on this. So do you feel comfortable with it?
I do. I thought it felt that, just like the comfort is pretty good. Normally I worry about the grip just tearing out my hands. But no, I was relatively comfortable. The only thing that I ran into was the mag release right here. So if I move my thumb down too much, then it'll spring that release when I'm trying to shoot.
Gotcha.
But yeah, it's relatively comfortable.
Excellent. As for my final thoughts on the Glock 17, I really liked it. I had much better accuracy right off the bat than I've had with any other polymer frame 9mm. And I mean, for being the first of its kind, it really just kind of makes sense. One of the things though that I would do if I was going to purchase this for myself is I would probably get a little bit of a texture, more of a texture on the grip. So what I found was, yes, it's nice, but it was a little bit slippery for my liking. I really like that sandpapery feel that they have on the M&P M2.0, and I would just try to adapt it to this. So, is it ugly? Yeah, it's pretty ugly. But is it reliable? You're damn right it's reliable. Thank you everybody for watching this review on the Glock 17. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and go ahead and hit that bell over there and let freedom ring throughout the land. Thanks for watching.